Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bose. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your stir-fry noodles. In order not to waste your time, let's go right into it. In a pot, you're going to add a water and cover it and allow it to heat. Then in another pot, you go in with your onion, and then you mix together, allow it to saute for just few seconds. After that, you're going to go in with your blended pepper, and then you're going to mix together. After that, you're going to go in with your noodles seasoning. Then you mix together. Then you're going to go in with any protein of your choice, but for me, I'm using grilled chicken. Mind you, my chicken are all frozen up, so I'm going to allow it heat up a bit before going in with the next ingredient. Then I'm going to turn it together. After that, I'm going to just cover it and allow it to fry for just 2 minutes on low heat. Our water is all ready. Now I'm going to go in with our noodles and allow it to boil, but not all cooked. I'm just going to allow it to just get cooked for between 50 to 70%. And I'm also going to add just 2 seasoning of my noodles spice, just for it to just have a different taste. My chicken is all ready, so I'm going to go in with my coconut milk. Then I'm going to mix together, and I'll also allow this to just fry up for just 3 minutes. Then I'm going to just cover it and just leave it for just 3 minutes. Make sure your noodles doesn't get cooked. At this stage, my noodles is ready. All I have to do is just sieve it. My sauce is all ready and it's properly fried. So I'm going to go in with my parboiled noodles. Time for us to mix together. After mixing, I'm going to go in with my vegetables. I'm going to go in with my carrots, my yellow pepper, and my green pepper. But feel free to add any other vegetables of your choice. But for me, this is what I'm going to add. And also, I'm going in with a little bit of my noodles water. Then I'm going to mix this again. I'm going to mix it properly to make sure all ingredients are properly and well combined together. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to just steam up for just 2 minutes. Note, this has to be on low heat in order for you to get it right. After 2 minutes on low heat, I'm just going to mix this together. Then I'm going to serve. All I just need you to do is just try this recipe, and I bet you're going to thank me later. If you're already tired of eating your noodles, or you don't know what to do with your noodles, try this recipe and you're just going to elevate the taste board and love everything about these noodles. So don't forget to watch our other videos, and do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, tell me what you think about this video, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Bye.